Are you looking for the best portable hammocks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best portable hammocks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MacSports Collapsible Portable Hammock. Don't you love falling asleep in a hammock? Yeah, it feels great unless it's sunny and you get burned. The MacSports Collapsible Portable Hammock will allow you carefree lounging. It comes with a removable sunshade to protect you from head to toe. But a canopy is just the final piece of a puzzle. This product shines in almost all departments to allow you to enjoy afternoons in your backyard, at the beach, or on camping trips. A heavy-duty steel frame will provide exceptional stability while serving you for years. This is another so-called bridge hammock model. Unlike traditional hammocks that bunch up at the ends, bridge hammocks come with spreader bars at each end. You can learn about both types in our comprehensive buyer's guide. The length of about 89 inches also makes it comfortable for taller users. The package includes a soft removable pillow to choose the best position or take a nap. It can withstand up to 250 pounds, which is more or less a typical weight capacity for the product. I love the canopy design. It is set by using telescopic poles hidden inside the frame. You need to pull them out and attach the canopy. Absolutely impressive. User ratings say it all. Several users were skeptical about freestanding hammocks but fell in love with them after purchasing this model. The only shortcoming of this hammock is the weight. At 32 pounds. It is somewhat heavy. Still, it is quite portable thanks to the wheeled carry case. Number 2. KingCamp Freestanding Hammock. Usually, it is challenging to combine stability and durability with a lightweight design. The KingCamp Foldable Hammock somehow got it perfectly. This model is stable and strong thanks to its aluminium frame and steel crossbars. The fabric is a ripstop 300D denier Oxford cloth. In simple English, it is strong, thick, and durable. And the weight at 14.3 pounds. It is one of the lightest foldable hammocks. It is also very compact. It folds down to 32 by 6 by 6 inches. Ergonomic design provides excellent support and helps relieve muscle tension. This KingCamp hammock has spreader bars on both ends, allowing comfortable side sleeping. Regardless of your favorite position, this hammock provides comfort. It is extra wide, 31.5 inches, at the top and slowly narrows down to 25 inches at the bottom. So your arms won't hang over the edges. With a length of 78 inches, it comforts people up to 6'2". A maximum weight capacity is 264 pounds. A carry case can be folded and put in the pillowcase to serve as a pillow. The storage pocket is placed on the side of the hammock for easy reach. So, this cool hammock is very comfortable, durable, convenient, and versatile. The only thing it can't do is swing. You should look for another model if you can't imagine lying in the hammock without a gentle swaying motion. Number 3. Mach 1 Indoor Hammock Stand Portable Folding. Looking for a lightweight, portable, and easy to fold hammock? The Mach 1 Indoor Portable Folding Hammock fits your bill perfectly. To begin with, it's one of the lightest models, weighing 14.5 pounds. It is a freestanding and fully collapsible model. What's more, folding can take less than a minute if you're handy. It's realistic for anyone to do it in under 5 minutes. It is quick, simple, and easy. Folded dimensions are 33 by 11 by 6 inches. Compact packed size, easy to set, lightweight to carry it. They've got it all covered. Even though it's called a hammock, it is a crossover design between hammocks and cots. There are no sidebars, but you can't swing in this hammock. Still, it's very comfortable. According to a vast majority of users, the frame is made of steel. The fabric is thick, parachute-grade nylon. So, it should be quite sturdy and durable. There's also a small, removable canopy that covers the top section of the hammock. It provides shade for your face on sunny days. On the downside, it is not very long, measuring 67L x 25W x 33H. It is short for anyone over 5'6". All users above this height will have their feet hanging over the edge. True, The top and bottom bars are padded, so it won't be uncomfortable if you're slightly longer than the hammock. Number 4. Lavish Home 80 Anthem BLK Portable Hammock. If you're looking for a foldable hammock that swings without breaking the bank, the Lavish Home 80 Anthem BLK Portable Hammock might be your best choice. If you need a hammock for occasional use, you'll probably want to save a few bucks by avoiding expensive models. This hammock is affordable, but it offers good value for money. The design allows you to swing, although just enough to call it swinging. It is very easy to set it up. It folds and unfolds like an umbrella. Weighing 22 pounds, it's not the lightest model out there, but it is light and compact enough to be portable. A carry case measures 44 by 7.5 by 7.5 inches. It has padded shoulder straps to make it more comfortable to carry. The unfolded dimensions of 94 by 31 inches are quite generous. I like the extra width, but you can't use the full length due to the narrowing design at both ends. I'd say it's long enough for people around 6 feet tall or less. If you don't like synthetic materials, this hammock is made of canvas. Canvas is heavier but breathable and provides a more comfortable feel. It should also be more durable, although I am not sure that is the case here. Several users have reported poor stitching and fraying after several weeks of use. Number 5. Tranquillo SSRS Adjustable Foldable Hammock. Being tall has some advantages, but not so much when choosing a hammock. The Tranquillo SSRS Adjustable Foldable Hammock was designed to accommodate taller and heavier people. Moreover, this hammock is adjustable in several ways to provide better positioning or even provide room for 2 persons. Firstly, it has a 3-notch design to customize the height. Then, a 2-layered polyester fabric can expand to offer more space. Also, there are stitched-in spreader bars near both ends. So, this hammock doesn't narrow down at the ends like traditional hammocks do. The design provides more space near the top and bottom parts. It makes the hammock more stable as well. Nevertheless, spreader bars aren't connected to the frame, so you can rock and sway as you wish. The hammock's length is 108, so it will fit even very tall people. With a maximum weight capacity of 550 pounds. You don't have to worry if you've gained weight lately. While you should always prioritize functionality and quality, good looks won't do any harm. This hammock is stylish and comes in a wide variety of colors. On the downside, some users found it awkward as it may sag too low in the middle, and if you adjust it to the highest setting, it becomes too high to get in easily. Truth be told, most users have had no issues with the clearance height and found the hammock comfortable and supportive.